How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can resize in FireAlpaca. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to basically put a photo onto the FireAlpaca. And in our case, let's go ahead and resize this photo right here. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that your photo is selected. And then let's simply navigate through the select button, which is going to be this one. And then you want to select the transform option. As a shortcut, you can also click or you can also press Ctrl T. And then it will simply show something like this. Now you have additional options like basically moving the photo. Yeah, you can flip it vertically, horizontally, and you have your additional options right here. But if you want to resize your photo, you want to use the controls that we have right here on the edge of the actual photo itself. So for example, let's go ahead and decrease this into something like smaller. And then let's also adjust the side shape right here. And so guys, click on OK and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.